Okay, I just wanted to come on and show what I picked up a couple weeks ago. Those that know me know that I do a little of everything. I knit, crochet, quilt, sew, draw, paint. You name it, I've probably got some supplies to do it, cross stitch, you know, it goes on and on. It helped that I worked for Joann's for almost 6 years, and I'm now working for Michael's. So the addiction continues. New will not be ignored. But anyway, I love to get knitting and crochet books when they're on sale. And I got this book for like $3.97. It's for baby stuff. One day I'll be a grandma. But in the meantime, I'm an auntie. That's why I'm Aunt Beck's Creations. And these hats are just adorable in here. And then after I had bought those, a package arrived a few days later from a quilting friend in Maine, and look what she sent me. All of these knitting books. And I'm just in heaven, and they're all for baby stuff. And as I said, one day I will have a grandchild that will be spoiled rotten. And she also sent me, look, decorative frames and labels, and I can, you know, copy these onto cardstock. And I just love these. There's just so many vintage images in here. And it's just a whole book of labels and things I can make tags and you know, it's just a marvelous book. And then she sent me this tube, and it has, let me see if I can get it, 36 gauge aluminum, 12 inches wide. And then 10, I guess that's 10 feet of it. Oh, I'm about to run out of time, but also she sent me this here. It's quick rust, ultra thin steel to make angel wings, ornaments, and accessories. So, Jane, if you happen to watch this, give me some ideas. What can I do with this aluminum and steel? Perhaps I'll hear from you. If not, that's fine too. I'll figure something out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.